how to get and use backpack for more space in Hytale. So all you're gonna have to do is to open your workbench, and here in the top menu bar click on this section which is the tinkering, and to unlock your backpack you will need to click on this. You will need 8 iron ingots and 8 medium leather. So simply craft it and you will unlock this section which is backpack upgrade section. So craft it. And now you have to use it. So right click, it says your backpack capacity has now increased to 9. So open your inventory. Here is your backpack, and if you click it, it will toggle it. And this is my backpack level 1. So you can use it, put it here and close it. If you want to upgrade that backpack, you have to again open your workbench, again this section, and here are some slots, upgrade 1 and upgrade 2. So I'm gonna enter the creative mode, I'm gonna upgrade it. So for backpack 1 you will need tier 2 workbench, you can craft it. Now you have to use it, right click, I'm gonna open my backpack and here you can see second line. If you own the third line, you have to grab this one, and it requires workbench tier 3, so upgrade your workbench, wait until it's upgraded, and you will need one void heart, which is the drop from night mob, some adamant ingots and storm leather. So each upgrade is harder to obtain, and now you can use it, right click and go to your backpack, 3 lines plus to your inventory. It's very useful for your adventures, and that's how you can use it and craft it. So if you find this video helpful, leave a silly comment in the comment section and see you next time.